Don and Dots. Written by D.G. Chelsea. Illustrated by Robert Paul Jr. Don sees dots. He sees dots on a pad. Don sees dots on a pot and on a pan. Don puts dots on a pot and on a pan. He puts dots on a pad. Don puts dots on a can. He puts dots on a mop. Don puts dots on a top. He puts dots on the dots. Can Don put dots on the map? Don cannot put dots on the map. Can Don put dots on Dad? Don cannot put dots on Dad. Dad has dots. Dad is not mad. Dots are not bad.
Good job!